What is up, guys? This is your guy Christopher Watson, and I am back again with the MR2. It's running, as you can see in the last video. It is nasty. So what I'm going to do now is actually clean the interior. I'm just going to vacuum it, like get some bugs and stuff on the dash, and the carpet looks terrible. So I'm just going to vacuum everything out. This thing has never been really clean since I bought it. I've had this car for like 7-8 years, so that's a long time to not clean it. Mainly because it wasn't, like I wasn't driving it, so there was no reason to really keep it clean. But anyway, I'm gonna get the vacuum and get this thing a little bit cleaner, and yeah. What happens when you don't have a rear quarter panel, my rear quarter window. So my rear quarter window is busted out, and I knew it was busted out. I mean, well, it was busted out when I first bought the car, but this is what happens when you don't get it replaced. And it's sitting outside. It wasn't sitting outside of my house, so it was the mechanic or shop, unfortunately. So that's what happens. I don't know if you could tell from before I started, but this looks way better just from vacuuming. Obviously, whoa, that's still a lot of dirt down there. So I gotta vacuum this side again because it still looks pretty dirty. So the passenger side looks better. Yeah, I still need to really clean it. That's why I'm gonna do the carpet cleaner. And then I need to vacuum this side some more because it's still really bad. I just cleaned the car out. The biggest thing is I hadn't cleaned this thing in 7-8 years since I bought the car. And it was bugs, as you can tell, and dirt all over the place, and water in the car. So I got to do some TLC to it now. Now that it's running, I'm gonna make sure I get everything copacetic. So like make sure the interior looks good, make sure the exterior looks good. So I'm gonna, like I said, repair some of the paint if possible. And then I'm gonna get a new exhaust because this thing is freaking loud, and this thing's of that nature. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna try to bring y'all along every step of the way because there's not a lot of MR2s out there, and there's really not a lot of YouTubers that are doing MR2s. Like 240s are all over the place, Skylines are all over the place, Supers are all over the place, but there's not a lot of Toyota MR2s being shown or featured on YouTube. So I'm like, hey, there's not a lot, let's do it. Maybe somebody else will get inspired to build MR2. There are a lot of MR2s out in the world, but there's not a lot on the internet. So I was like, let me just do mine. So anyway, that's it for right now, guys. I'm gonna get some more cleaning done, and then we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.